Sa gitna ng makakapal na ulap ng Cordillera, a hero rose to fight for the rights of his people. Siya si Father Conrado Balweg, or mas kilala bilang Kaambo. Isang pari na naglingkod sa mga nasa laylayan ng lipunan. Nakita ni Kaambo ang hirap at exploitation ng mga katutubong Igorot. He saw how their lands were taken, their voices silenced, and their culture ignored. But in the face of injustice, napagdesisyunan niyang iwan ang kanyang sutana at humawak ng armas. He believed that sometimes, pakikidigma ang tanging daan para sa kapayapaan. Bilang leader ng Cordillera People's Liberation Army, CPLA, pinangunahan niya ang laban para sa autonomy at karapatan ng mga katutubo. He fought not just with weapons, but with words, inspiring his people to stand up for their rights. But his path was full of sacrifices at panganib. December 31st, 1999. Si Kaambo ay pinaslang, leaving behind a mystery at pangarap na hindi natupad. His death remains a question mark, but his life was a bold statement of courage and sacrifice. Ngayon, his legacy lives on sa puso ng bawat Igorot.
Because at that time, we were so dispersed, kanya-kanya, and parang imposible na we could really consolidate our tradition and make it a homegrown political move to establish our nationhood. Talagang it is tremendous yung na-achieve for us who started the movement, but for those who came during the negotiation, it is also true na we underestimated yung capability natin.
Si Father Conrado Balweg ay hindi lamang isang pari o rebelde. He was a symbol of courage at pagmamahal sa bayan. His fight for justice and freedom continues to inspire, reminding us that the struggle for what is right is never in vain. The mountains of Cordillera stand tall, just like the spirit of Kaambo. His story is a reminder that